People have always asked me, Diego, please create a complete Portuguese course with recorded lessons. And it is with great pride that I want to announce that the Portuguese for Beginners course from the Vou Aprender Português channel is now available. And you might be wondering, Diego, if there are hundreds of videos for free here on your YouTube channel, why would I pay for your course? This is a good question, but the answer is quite simple. The videos on this channel have always aimed to be short, simple, and straight to the point. In the Portuguese for Beginners course, you will find much more detailed and comprehensive explanations with absolutely everything you need to know about that subject. Here's a quick video about what you can expect from this course. The course is divided into well-structured modules, each containing a series of comprehensive lessons. Each lesson features a video entirely in Portuguese, aiding you in becoming accustomed to the language rhythm and pronunciation. To assist your understanding, all videos are equipped with subtitles. In the video lessons, you have the flexibility to control your learning pace, pause, rewind, and rewatch lessons as needed, and even adjust the playback speed to suit your comfort level. Although accessible on mobile devices, using a computer is recommended for a more immersive experience. The course provides a condensed summary with the main information about each lesson, and detailed written materials with complete explanations in English and Portuguese. These resources complement the videos, sometimes offering additional insights and ensuring a well-rounded grasp of each topic. You can even download and print out the PDF files of each lesson. In each of the modules, you'll find interactive exercises in quiz format, designed to test your understanding and solidify your grasp of the concepts. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, we encourage you to write a comment or ask a question in the lesson comment section, where our support team is always ready to assist you. If you're interested, click on the first link in the description and you will find all the information and details about this new course.